Here I've got Honor View 20 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and pick System. Here under Language and Input you will notice Date and Time. So simply click on this icon and now select the option of 24-hour format clock, or maybe if you would like to have a default one, which is 12-hour format clock, 12-hour format time, then you can pick the automatic date and time, or you can switch it off. And now you can set the date and also time manually by yourself. Finally, you can change the time zone, so you can pick the one that you would like to have. As you can see, Honor prepared a wide list of time zones, so everyone will find something suitable. In my case, it can be this one. And finally, you can select the option of dual clocks if you want to have them, or you can switch it off. And finally, if you'd like to go back to the default settings, so to have the automatic date and time, tap on this switcher, and from now on all the settings will be updated automatically. So that's it. This is how you can change date and time in your device in your Honor View 20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.